Well, I got a great product to show you today. This is the Pro Swing Conditioner by iCandy. Now with this, there's there's 3 exercises you can do, but let me just show you this. This is fully Velcro and adjustable, and this will prevent your wrist from going back, and I'll demonstrate. So with this, when you're coming back, this will just hold the perfect swing. Woo! Again, the perfect swing. The second, it also comes with this ball here. And this ball has some Velcro on it. And this is another exercise. You want to hold the ball in between the arms. And that really gives you the perfection of the swing. Let me give you a different angle. Hold the ball like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And now that just gives you the great form. Now, let me show you the third option. It also comes with some bands here. With these bands, what's great about this kit is, I'll practice in the yard, the office. Now here, what this does, we'll also use the ball here. Get that in there. And this is just gonna let me get a little bit higher here. Oh yeah. In there. And then the follow through. So again, you can use all 3 together. Let me give you a different angle. Just like that. And this, wow, really gives you a beautiful and effective golf swing. Oh, this is a great one. And again, it comes with all 3 of these training tools. And that Velcro is really a good set of Velcro too. Woo! That's a great product.